Hello everyone. I have 2 cans of mackerel here, and last night I asked someone that was visiting how he fixes his mackerel, and he said he cooks the entire can. So I said I'm going to try the entire can, being that I do tend to take off the skin. I believe Coral said she eats the bones, so I don't take the bones out anymore. But I have this craving for mackerel with onions over jasmine rice. That's what I've been wanting. Turn it up just a little bit, get that bubble. I blended a whole onion. You know I like onion in my stuff. I'm going to put some garlic in it. And just in case you want to know which one mackerel I used bumblebee. And as I got that bubble up there, I'm going to turn it down a little bit because I want it to simmer down, the onions and everything inside of there. And this is my only meal I'm going to cook for the day, so if I don't eat like 2 bowls of this, I probably have a few slices of cheese. But I'm only going to have 1 bowl with rice, because I'm trying to eat less rice. Thank you so much for watching my small video.